Hi guys, Alicia here, and I am here today with a Close to My Heart Workshops Your Way kit. This is one of the new kits from the new catalog. I'm so excited about this line. It's called Boutique, and the colors in this are just gorgeous. I think Close to My Heart really nailed it with this current catalog. As always, I will leave a link down below to all the new stuff. But yeah, I've already prepped this kit. I didn't do a video on the prep this time because I've done a few prep videos and they're pretty repetitive. But yeah, I have everything laid out in my bag number 1. This is layout number 1. And of course, I always start on the left page, sort everything out. So this complements the Close to My Heart subscription, Craft with Heart. I did those videos previously. This kit complements it very nicely. So all these pages will flow together. And Close to My Heart also just came out with some new colors. So this kit features some old colors and some new colors. The colors in this kit are Ballerina, Charcoal, Glacier, Linen, Peach, Peacock, Saffron, Sugar Plum, and White Daisy. So Ballerina, Peach, and Sugar Plum are all new. Sugar Plum is actually the color of the year. It's very pretty. I think I'm going to do a video on the new colors. Close to My Heart also came out with this really cool color book. It's like an idea book where they list all of the colors and they give color combination ideas and layouts, and it's really cool. So I think I'm going to do a video on all the new colors and show you guys that book because there's some really nice stuff in there. So I'm just laying out all the photo mats. So this layout right here didn't come with the photo place card holders because there's photo mats. So I've noticed if there's photo mats, they don't do the place card holders. But the other layouts in this kit do have the photo place card holders with the, the white ones with the numbers and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. And also on all of these layouts, there's some twine that comes with it. It's mint colored twine. And I am just a bonehead, and I put it on like half of the page and not the other half. And so anyways, if you read the directions carefully, which I am apparently not very good at, you'll see the twine. So I think I'll add it. It goes around some of the pictures and stuff. So I think I'm going to add it in when I put on my pictures. So as always, some of the complements are stickers. Some of them are kind of like the thick chipboardy, thick paper punch outs. This kit also comes with puffy stickers. How fun is that? Love it. I love the scripty words that this compliments pack comes with. And I'm using my Bonding Memories glue pen to stick all this down. I know I always mention it in all my videos, but I love the pen. It comes out blue, and when you glue something down when it's blue, it's permanent. But if you kind of let it dry a little bit, it just becomes sticky, and it becomes like a more temporary adhesive. Now on to the other page. And you guys, the mat I'm using here, it's called a Versa mat, and it is great for scrapbooking. It's 12 by 12, as you can see, and it has all the little marks. So you can lay things out. And yeah, I really like it. Before I was using the grid paper, which I also really like, but this just has a little bit better measurements. So the grid paper I like more for card making and stamping. whereas this Versa Matte I like for the scrapbooking. How pretty are these colors? And a lot of the papers have like a watercolor look to them, which I love. And I'm using one of the Picture My Life cards that come with the kit. It's you get 2 sheets of cut apart Picture My Life cards, and so this is one of their journaling cards. And there's a tiny bit off, so we're just gonna shave a little paper off and nobody will ever know. And you guys, the adhesive I'm using in this video is the ATG gun. It's a Scotch brand. I really like it because you don't have to refill as often. See, and this is where I'm realizing the twine that I didn't put on the other page. So my pages won't quite flow together, but I know I'll fix it. So you're supposed to wrap the twine around, and I don't always like to wrap it all the way around because I think it adds some bulk that isn't necessary, so I just kind of tuck it behind and it looks like it's wrapped without adding too much bulk. And then I'm adding some extra tape on top to make sure it sticks. So it's glued to the back, not to the front, so you can still slip a photo down underneath it. And then I'm going to tie just like a cute little knot. And I tie it like this. I'm going to show you guys so that you can move the knot where you want it. So depending on what photo you put down, you can kind of slide it to either side. Yeah. So back to the ATG gun. So yeah, I like that because you don't have to refill as much. I really like the Tombow glue that Close to My Heart sells as well. I kind of like the smaller size, but you have to refill it more often. But also right now, Close to My Heart is out of the refill, so I've just been using my ATG gun. So they both are good. They both have their pros. And so I just added tape to half of that so that I can still get my photo underneath. Now we're going to add our cute little puppy stickers. And you guys, that is it. How cute is this layout? Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.